Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. How are you all doing today? I would like to give you a special welcome today. I appreciate you each and every time you have an opportunity to stop by and see what's going on with my channel. And today we're going to go over the T-Shirt Society. Yeah, and that is a subscription that you get a T-shirt. But I wanted to tell you about my little injury. I kind of re-injured my nose a little bit, so it kind of accidentally. Anyways, as you can tell, I broke it. What happened? I was washing my face and I broke it apart. Ugh. So I guess I'm starting over again a little bit. I really probably should have got stitches. I don't know. But I am still using the arnica, and I went and got me some more arnica pills. And I'm going to be putting aloe vera on it, so that'll help with the scarring. But I just want to give you a quick little update of my little accident. And I'm still kind of puffy a little bit around both eyes. And on this one, like I said, I'm going to have dents up in here. I've got little scars, you might not can see it. Sometimes my eyeshadow fills in on it, and it's hard to get it off. So anyways, it's going to be different. But today I have the T-Shirt Society. And this is made with love, worn with class, and providing inspiration one T-shirt expression at a time. And this is also the Gabby Companies. Manda Lee owns both the T-Shirt Society, and she started a subscription, and you can get a monthly T-shirt for $19.97, and or you can get a monthly T-Shirt Society box, and that will include a local item from a local small business that's handcrafted a product. And I did not order that. I just got the T-shirt at this time. And I will tell you, and I don't want to show my address here, but she always puts this little postal thing on there. Thank you from the T-Shirt Society. And I just think that's so cute that they put that on there. And it says, "Hey, postal worker, your hard work and commitment helps my small business thrive. Thank you from the T-Shirt Society." And I think that is just so sweet. And then she always puts a little sticker on there because they're out of Texas, and it says, "All the way from Texas." So she's got it bagged up pretty nice, but let's go in here and see what we have. And like I said, it's the monthly. This came to me at the end of the month, so it was probably January's T-shirt, which we're into right now. I'm not sure what T-shirt you'll get if you order at this particular time, but this here is the January T-shirt. Last month we had a Christmas T-shirt, and inside here she always has it wrapped in her paper. She's got a little snowflake on there in representation of the winter, and it says, "Thanks for supporting our small shop this holiday season." So let's see what we have for the January T-shirt. Looks like I'm going to have some more indigo blue. And let's take a look at this. And like I said, it's the January T-shirt. It's very soft. She buys quality T-shirts. And this month we have Let It Snow. Of course, we're not going to have too much snow here in Texas. But if it was, we would say, "Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow." But yeah, isn't that pretty? That's nice. I like that. I love her designs. And like I said, the quality of the T-shirt is very good. It's a canvas T-shirt. Good quality product. When you wash it, it doesn't shrink up, to a small little thing. So it's a good size. And I think she does a nice little design. So if you're interested in this, you can save 10% on your T-shirt order, and you can save 10% on your whole order, and you can order a subscription, or you can go to her gabbycompany.com, and I'll have that down in the description. You can save 10% on either one with my code, and you can also save 10% if you decide you want to do the $24.97, where you get a T-shirt and an item from a small local business that she, I guess you could say, collaborates with and then sends these out. So that is the T-Shirt Society, and that is my T-shirt for this month. And again, it is the Let It Snow. Very, very pretty. And I might could put it on over what I have. and you can see how it looks on. Of course, I've got this bulky shirt under here, but it fit over it. I always get an extra large, so, and that's one of the reasons. If you got something bulky, you can put it on there. But I like the color. What do y'all think? I think it's a nice color, and it looks good, or I like it. Now, I don't know if y'all do or not. But that is my shirt for this month. I'm going to wear it proudly, and especially if we start to snow. And guys, you can dress this up or dress it down. That's the one thing that got her going with the t-shirts, because you can make it nice and, like I said, dress it up, even put a jacket with it. You can dress it down. So either way, you're looking stylish with your t-shirt. And of course, you know, the other day I got some cute little silver earrings, and I could have my sunshades on. So I'd be rocking it, you know, with my t-shirt and my sunshades and my earrings. So anyways, it's always so fun to get these little different items in the mail, subscribing to different ones, and I really enjoy it, and I hope you have enjoyed the T-Shirt Society. Now, I just want to remind you all, because that's all I have for the T-Shirt Society today, so I would like to remind you to check my descriptions. I have my 1,002-year anniversary video out with some great prizes. I also have my 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas, and I'll be having some collaborations coming up real soon. And as well, we'll have other videos of the things that are coming in for this month. So be sure and be on the lookout. And again, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free, and you can come back and see me anytime you have an opportunity. And if you do and you leave a comment, I'll be sure to get back with you. And if you want to share it with some of your family and friends, well, that is wonderful. Please do. But as for today and the T-Shirt Society, that is all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.